Okay. Hopefully my voice is clear and you guys can also hear the bike. This is a new setup that I'm trying up. So I'm already in Switzerland on my way to St. Moritz, to Maloya Pass, and this is insane. It's just pure fog. The road is wet. It's not raining, but it's kind of raining. It's like super light rain. And yeah, I'm just trying to go as slow and safe as possible. Any cars that come behind me, I just scoot over and let them pass, because I'm taking my time. I feel pretty safe with these tires, I have to say. These are a Michelin Road 6 tires, and on wet terrain they're just great. They can handle rain pretty well. But I mean, I'm confident with it, but still, I'm just taking it real slow because I still have to go. I still have to have a way up to go to St. Moritz, which is really high. So I'm just taking my time slowly. Can't see anything. Super foggy. Look at that. And it's also kind of getting cold. Yeah, but anyways, I'll turn on the camera when I'm a bit more closer to Maloya Pass, because right now I really have to focus on driving. Maloya Pass, guys. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. There's still some snow, but it's like dirty snow, you know. Yeah, these tires are literally the shit. You have no idea how amazing they handle. I'm still like putting my foot down once in a while, like not at every turn, but I put my feet down just to test the floor, the pavement, to see if it's slippery, too wet, or if it feels good. Right now it feels awesome. It feels really good. Alright, so this is Maloya. What's up, man? Thought I was the only crazy guy at this hour over here with a motorcycle. That's the first guy I see, actually. The first one since I left home. I guess I'm the only crazy bastard that wakes up at 3:30 a.m. and at 4:50 a.m. just goes to Munich. No reason. Just a regular Saturday, you know. What is this? Ah, it's a hotel. Nice. Whoa, it's kind of cold. I guess now it is probably in Celsius 0 degrees or 1, probably 2 degrees. Of course, it feels colder. That's a frozen lake. Oh, Italians, you guys are always in a hurry. Huh? Look at that. Partly frozen. Fuck, it's really frozen. St. Moritz. Finally a bit of sun there. Go to the right here. Oh, look at that, man. Finally the sun. Not gonna lie, it was kind of tough back there. My hands, it's just the tip of my fingers. You know, that point when it's too cold that you don't feel just anything. Look at this, huh? Amazing. Oh. I swear to you guys, there's no better feeling than this. The peace, the freedom, the adrenaline, everything. Just a mix of emotions all together. Amazing. It's all about this, guys, at the end of the day. Just chill. Don't try to always kill yourself when you ride. Just enjoy the road, chill, cruise. Play with the throttle, play with the gear shifts. It's all about that. That's really it. It's got the popo up there. The popo. Buongiorno. No. Okay. The popo. Beautiful. Look at that. We're on our way to Austria right now. We have to do a couple of passes, mountain passes in Austria, and then we are going to Fusen in Germany. We're gonna probably stop by there to eat something and also see Neuschwanstein Castle, and then after that straight off to Munich.
te sientes capuruso.
¿De qué?
¿Ah?
¿Con cosa?
Cuando vives en un pueblo y vas por la ciudad te sientes capuruso.
Sí.
Esto no está pueblo, ¿no?
En Lugano. Hay que ir para allá. Para allá.
Pasó la otra vez que fui para Milán antes de la entrega, marico. En Milán te lo juro, me sentí el poco culerino de mierda.
Sí. No es por nada, pero quiero llegar.